Hello and welcome again. In this topic, we'll talk about code blocks and indentation. In Python, indentation is very important. Okay. Uh, by default, the initial blocks, they are not indented. Okay. Uh, but if you have like if statement, for loop, while loop, or any statement that ends with a colon, then the block starts. Okay, so those blocks should be indented. If you remember, I'm writing something like x is equal to 4, and I have if x is less than 4, okay, I'm comparing the value, then I say print something like that. X is less than 4. And you see that this part, this is what we call indentation. So with the if statement that ends with colon, you need indentation. Similarly, if we have a for loop for I in range of 5, we have a colon, okay, and I want to print I, you see, we have an indentation here. So, so you have to move the code to the right side. This is this is very important. And guys, do not mix tabs with the spaces. Okay, so for example, you have tab is usually four spaces or five spaces, but here we are having. So if you say something like that, print I again. Okay, and here you put spaces, and here you put tab. They are two different things, guys. You will have the indentation problem. Okay, so if I try to run the code, you will see that it says, what is this indentation problem? Huh? Tabs and spaces in the indentation. This is not good. So what we have to do, we have to use the spaces. If I use the spaces, then it should be okay. You see? So there is no problem. So keep in mind, do not mix tabs and spaces. The best practice is use only spaces for indentation. Huh? Multi-line, list, and dictionary. Okay, that is fine. So you can write list or dictionary over multiple lines for better readability, especially when we have like, okay, yeah, um, this is one dimension. So my list, my list is equal to, so I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. Or I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I can say something like that. No problem. And even I can put like that. So list you can write on multiple lines or in one line. Similarly, dictionary, you can, just for more clear readability, you can also write something like that. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Here, A, so apple, and then colon, and the value is 5, comma, and then we have a next value, banana, then colon, and the 10, and then we have berry, colon, 15, and that's it. The last one does not need the comma, I think. So maybe I made mistake here. So we can run the code and we'll see if there is any error. Okay, so Barry has a problem because we did not close the apostrophe. Clear the screen and then I run it again. Oh, there is no problem. If I put comma here, okay, as it was available here, in the comma was here. So, um, oh, didn't give any error, huh? Interesting. So, okay, that's fine. So, thank you very much I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.